Hi everyone, hi Geminis, welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And if you know wish to order activated and energized bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for Geminis for the month of December 2020. This is a reading for situationship, what situation you'll be going through in the month of December. Okay, there is juggling between two choices, two connections, two decision, two problems. You should start trusting your inner voice. Your intuition level is going to be very strong in the month of December, so start trusting it. A lot of lack of trust is there in a situation. Okay, so yeah, you are wishing for some sort of an harmony which is not happening, like which is not, something is not coming into full circle. Okay, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Like January will be a new year for you. Your third eye chakra is opening, spiritual awakening is you're going through, which is very good. You are holding back to the past, like you are unable to move on, and sometimes you feel disappointed. You don't like to leave your past behind, and that's why you feel disappointed. That is the problem. Okay, okay, you like to explore, you would like to explore, you would like to travel, would like to relocate, shift. Okay, or you would like to have a strong communication with your partner or with anyone. Okay, so yeah, there is a thing of having a strong communication level, or thinking about traveling, exploring, relocating, shifting. Okay, a new vision is on the horizon, like you are thinking of something new into your life right now. You're trying to understand, a lot of realization is happening because you are going through some major spiritual awakening. So you are in a mode of understanding a lot of things into your life. That's the thing. Okay, so yeah, you are very much disappointed, like in a situation. I don't know whether it's career or relationship, but it can be either one. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one I'm not taking, this one. Amazing, amazing, that is what I was saying. So there is a whole story. Okay, you need to regain your power back in the month of December, because January will be a new year for you, a new month. Like you are going to take some sort of a risk, a leap of faith towards someone or something. Okay, and that will only happen once you leave your past behind and move on. Okay, so it's my advice to you that move on, leave the past behind, move on, and then you are going to take a risk and a leap of faith, which will reach you to a newer perspective into your life. Because if you didn't leave the past behind and you didn't move on, okay, then there will be a lot of blockages when it comes to money related stuff, financial problems. And once you once there is a new beginning after January. Okay, I think within 9 months, within 9 months from now, like let's say leave December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Till September, like within 9 months, you will have an independent life. So that's a very beautiful thing, independent life. Okay, independent, you will be having an independent financial freedom. That is very good. You have to take your power back, and you have to leave the manipulative energy, sneaky energy. I think you have left it in the past. Okay, the sneaky energy, manipulative energy, the politics games, whosoever was playing, you have already moved on from that, already moved away from the situation, but sometimes it hinders you, it disappoints you still. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you need to take a new beginning, leaving the third party situation. You still feel heartbroken because there is a third party situation interfering into a particular situation. Okay, so my advice to you, Geminians, is that leave the past behind, take a risk, take an action towards moving forward, move on. Okay, that's my advice. Now you don't have to wait for the past to come back into your life, because I think you are still waiting on to your a long term commitment. Okay, you're still waiting, game is going on, you are actually waiting for the right time, when that person, or when that individual, or when that career opportunity will come into your life. I think you should leave the past behind and you should move on. That's my advice to you, because only then you will be happy. Okay, so you are waiting for some sort of an opportunity related to coming together, having a reconciliation, reunion, but that will not happen because there is a divine intervention. Divine timing is not there right now. And also, one more thing, uh, that opportunity is being blocked off coming together from the universe. Okay, so that won't be happening. Okay, and sometimes because of that blockages into your relationship, that blockages are hindering into your financial life also, like you are hopeless, you are not even believing, and there you are hopeless when it comes to your financial life. Okay, so that's the problem. Okay, my advice to you is that, guys, emotionally detach, spiritually detach, and once you start getting detached, only that then your person, your twin flame, your spiritual connection will come into your life. But if you are dealing with a karmic connection, that will come to an end. Okay, so yeah, you are having still a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety issues, problems, you know, not sleeping, you're having weird dreams about a person or a situation, you're holding back either your money related stuff, you are spending very wisely. Okay, or you're holding back from someone or something. Okay, yes, there is not new opportunity, like lot of opportunities been blocked, new opportunities are being blocked financially, and new opportunities are being blocked in your relationship wise also. Why, I'll tell you. Once you start detaching from your relationship, okay, only then your financial abundance will start coming into your life. And if you don't get detached emotionally, spiritually, physically from your partner or person, then there won't be any abundance, or there won't be, you'll be suffering from a lot of financial issues. Okay, I think you are still for suffering from a lot of financial issues, but at the same time you are going to go worst. Okay, so you should be careful about it. Yes, past is not going to come back, you need to understand that. Okay, yes, you want something to end, but there is ending, something is ending, might be a relationship, might be a problem, might be a betrayal energy, something is ending this December, and there are new beginning on the horizon. That means within 2 weeks from now to 4 months, within 2 weeks to 4 months, a new beginning is on the horizon for you. Okay, yes, third party situation, third party interference. Once new beginnings are on the horizon when it comes to your materialistic world, money, financial life. Once you start getting detached from your relationship, your financial life will get sorted, it will be improved completely, it will be changed. So this is not a time for being stagnant, this is time for being to take an action towards something or someone, like taking action towards your life, towards your money. Take you need to make a major decisions in the upcoming days. So you need, because of this blockages, your healing is not getting proper. And I think you are just being impatient now with the situation. Now you have to take major decisions of your life. Okay, might be within 3 months you will take a major decisions of your life, that what you are supposed to do. New beginnings are on the horizon, and if you didn't took that decision, that cycle will repeat itself. That's the problem, which you should not do that. Okay, so yeah, because your financial life is also affecting because of this karmic thing, because of this connection. This is a karmic spiritual connection for sure. So yeah, I don't know, this situation is very bad. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, you're going through some major karmic lessons, major karmic cycles. Karmic cycle is about to come to an end this December, and from January, I think new life is about to start. Okay, so yeah, it's getting completed this month for sure. Okay, so yeah, new beginning is on the horizon for you. So this new year will be a very new time for you, new day for you. So yeah, start it wisely. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.